Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy 3D printing software with Ultimaker, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by gathering your needed materials, including your computer and Ultimaker printer. Visit the Ultimaker website to ensure you have the latest version of the software. Download the Ultimaker Cura software from the official site. Once the download is complete, locate the installation file on your computer. Double-click on the installation file to start the setup process. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the software on your computer. Choose your preferred installation location, then click Next. Once the installation is complete, launch Ultimaker Cura from your applications. Select your Ultimaker printer model from the list of available printers. If your printer is not listed, you can manually configure it in the settings. Adjust the print settings according to your project requirements. Import your 3D model by clicking the Open or Import button. Select the desired 3D file format, typically STL or OBJ. After loading your model, position it on the build plate as needed. Adjust scale or orientation if necessary for optimal printing. Review the slicing settings to ensure compatibility with your printer. Click the Slice button to prepare the model for printing. Once slicing is complete, connect your printer to your computer via USB or use an SD card for transfer. Save the sliced file to your USB or SD card if using that option. Insert the SD card into the printer or ensure the USB connection is active. Start the print job from the printer's interface. Monitor the initial layers to ensure proper adhesion to the build plate. Be prepared to adjust settings based on the specific requirements of your print. After the print completes, carefully remove the model from the build plate. Inspect the final print for any necessary post-processing or cleanup. That concludes the deployment of your 3D printing software with Ultimaker. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.